In this video, we are going to show the OAuth grant process and the usage of restricted sensitive scopes within the app's functionality. The name of the app is Sap Connector Demo. Above all, please note that the app is a demo product. It is a demo for the Sap Connector solution, which is not available in the marketplace. So it is important to acknowledge that this app for which we are doing the request, it will not interact with any SAP data of the user under no circumstances. Let's begin. Starting from a blank spreadsheet, we navigate through the Ads On section and we select SAP Demo Connector. At this point, authorization is required. There are 3 required authorizations. As it is shown in the screen, one auth is needed in order to see, edit, and delete all your Google Sheets spreadsheets. Specifically, we need the auth called https://www.googleapis.com/auth/spreadsheets. The reason we need it is to allow the user to work with spreadsheets within their Google account environment. Another auth is needed in order to connect to an external device. Specifically, we need the auth called https://www.googleapis.com/auth/script.externalRequest. The reason we need it is to allow the app to connect to the demo SAP server where the data for the demo app is located. As previously mentioned, the app will connect to a predefined SAP data which is not the user's SAP data. To be specific, this auth is required in order to permit the app to connect to an ephemeral SAP instance that we prepare just for the SAP demo connector. The data in this instance is random simulation data that belongs to nobody. Finally, another auth is needed in order to display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars inside Google applications. Specifically, we need the auth called https://www.google.apis.com/auth/script.container.ui. The reason we need it is to allow the sidebar of the app, from where the user controls the app. Once the request is accepted, the user is able to start using the app. As previously mentioned, the demo connection is prepared with a prepared IDES system. As you can see, the user can work with cells. All cells will reference to other cells through https://www.googleapis.com/auth/spreadsheets authorization, or they will reference to SAP data through the https://www.googleapis.com/auth/script.externalRequest authorization. Please observe now other examples of the usage of restricted sensitive scopes within the app's functionality for each OAuth client belonging to the project. Please observe how the slide bar menu is used in order to give the command create tabs, and how the https://www.googleapis.com/auth/script.container.ui authorization is used.